Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals in the house, coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. This is our lunchtime drive time update, guys. Wow, amazing, guys. We're seeing a lot of beautiful news, a lot of catalysts out there. We're going to jump into that. And guys and gals, remember, none of this video is financial advice. This is the OG expressing his opinion. And this is for educational purposes only, guys. Woo! And, guys, I missed the first video this morning. It's Sunday morning. I thought I'd just take it easy and catch some Z's, guys. So I feel refreshed, waking up, ready to go to the moon, guys. You ready to go to the moon? I'm ready to go to the moon. So, guys and gals, we're seeing some amazing news. We're seeing that Google is going to be Google and Google Play. You're going to be able to use use crypto on their platform, and there's millions and millions, maybe even a billion of devices that are using Android devices that are using Google Play. So that's really huge news. We're going to jump into that. This is mainstream. This is good news, guys. It's just a big catalyst, and we're seeing that all week. We're seeing a lot of positive news out there. More good news, and this is helping to fuel the markets, push up the markets. And we saw Bitcoin hit as high as $56,000, so that's not too shabby, guys. And as I said, I said that we're gonna see the market cap get to about 2.5 trillion. So we're getting pretty close to that. We're getting pretty close to 2.4 trillion. We still got some time left on the weekly candle, so maybe we can get there, guys. We're also seeing that it looks like Shiba Inu is getting closer and closer to Robinhood accepting them on the platform. There was a petition that went around. There was about 200,000 subscribers, not subscribers, but 200,000 people had signed the petition. So let's see if that comes out and Robinhood announces that. So that's really cool news. And then we had another huge whale that I think they picked up like 6.3 trillion SHIB tokens, and that's really amazing. And I believe that 6.3 trillion SHIB tokens that were picked up, I believe that was Robinhood that bought those. I believe it was Robinhood that bought those for exchange. Because remember, as I told you about, normally what happens is the developers, they will loan the liquidity to exchanges, but in this case, the developers of SHIB, they don't have a lot of coins in the back end that they're keeping for this kind of purpose. So, Robinhood had to go to the open market and buy it. So this is amazing news, guys. Also, we got some interesting news from McDonald's China that's crypto related. So it's kind of interesting that we got this huge crypto ban, but there's some crypto related news to McDonald's China. So we're going to jump into that as well, guys. So we got a lot of stories. We're also going to talk about the fear and greed and all that kind of stuff. We're going to do look at the TA for Dogecoin. My Doge in the house. I love the Doge. And we're going to look at the TA for SHIB. We're going to look at the TA for Ethereum, Bitcoin, of course. We're going to look at Cardano, Solana, and Avalanche in the house. Then we're going to go through the markets. We're going to look at the OG portfolio. So, guys and gals, you got to watch this to the end. Keep watching to the end and never give up, guys. It's a great time to be alive, guys. And this channel is about one thing. It's about you. It's about me. It's about spreading love, guys. And this channel would not be possible without all my beautiful people out there in YouTube time. I just want to say God bless each and every one of you. I love you guys. I love you guys to death. And thank you for showing up every time, watching these videos to the end. And guys, help the OG get the message out. Spread the good vibe. And please go right down there, guys. Do it right now. And smash the likes. Smash up the likes like you mean it. And let's see if we can get this video to at least 1,000 likes, guys. Do it. Because typically my videos are getting anywhere from 5 to 7,000 views. But the likes are not there, guys. And I know you're watching. I know you're watching because I can see it. So please take the time, guys, to smash the likes. Just gingerly go down there. It's so important. It tells the YouTube algorithm that you love this content, and it helps push it out, guys. Helps get the good vibe. The good vibe, the good message, the good news. Help spread it up. And remember, this channel is not only about cryptocurrency, it's about crypto love, guys. Crypto love. And it's about making things easier and helping you on your crypto journey and just making life better. And it's also about motivating you out there to be positive because God knows that, the world can be very negative right now. And we just want to create more of a positive vibe out there for everybody. So you guys can feel good about yourselves. And sure, crypto's going to go up. Crypto's going to go down. But one thing always stays the same. The positive vibe is right here at Crypto Daily Trade Signals in the house. I love it. You love it. And with that being said, we got some new family members in the house right now. And we've got some new channel members, guys. Welcome. We got Karsten. We got Epic Universe in the house. We got David Nguyen from Vietnam in the house, a VIP member. And we got David K, channel supporter. We've also got Kenny Boy, who's also a super channel supporter. We got Rhonda L, who's a super channel supporter. And we got Raymond in the house, VIP membership. And guys and gals, and if you're new, do not forget to go to the About section for the super members and the VIP members and send an email right here. Send us your YouTube handle, the date you signed up, and then we'll cross-check that with YouTube. And if it's all valid, then we'll send you the invitation link to the private WhatsApp group, guys. And that group is growing day by day. So, guys, get in it. And then also, too, we got some more beautiful people. More beautiful people in the house, guys. I love it. I love beautiful people. And these are subscribers. These are subscribers. These people subscribe like in the last 5 hours, guys. So these are our new beautiful people in the house. I mean, you're all beautiful people out there. I love all of you to death. We got Ferromite. We got League of Trolls. We got Kashif Ali. We got Technical Dunia. We got Yassini. We got Better. And we got Lisa Chang in the house. Welcome, beautiful people. And welcome, members. Welcome. And if you're watching for the first time, please do me a favor. Go down there. Subscribe, YB in the house. My head's going to fall off. I'm so excited, guys. So some really interesting news, as I told you about. We've got McDonald's China to celebrate its 31st anniversary with the first ever NFT release. So that's amazing, guys. So, the first token to drop from McDonald's China is called the Big Mac Cube. It's named after one of the restaurants China's most popular sandwich, the Cube, guys. So it looks like, the fast food, McDonald's fast food and NFT. So McDonald's is just one of the fast food chains that have recently developed NFT. Other companies like Taco Bell, Burger King, and Budweiser have also previously released other NFTs. So this is really huge, guys, that China is dropping NFTs to celebrate their 31st anniversary. And I believe these NFTs are going to be for sale on OpenSea.io. So it's just kind of insane in the membrane that China, the world's biggest crypto banners, they just hate crypto. But they're allowing NFTs. And that also shows you something. That NFTs seem not to come under regulatory scrutiny because they're seen as digital art, guys. So that's really interesting. So hats off to McDonald's. Congratulations. And happy birthday. I think it's time for a Big Mac. I love Big Mac. And I also hear rumors that soon McDonald's in America are going to be accepting cryptocurrency payments from their McDonald's. They're already using these Verizon terminals, so technically you can go in there and Verizon BitPay third party. You can use the Dogecoin to buy the Doge burger, the McDoge. So it would be really great if they released a McDoge. I love the McDoge. You want to get? I'm gonna gobble on my McDoge, guys. So some other news that's coming in right now is Google to help digital assistant platform Bakit introduce crypto to millions of customers. So as I talk to you about, is that Google's going to partner with Bakit, announce a partnership, and that means that all their customers will be able to use and integrate Google Play with their digital cryptocurrency. So this is like a third-party Visa card. So it really is really good that Google is warming up to crypto payments again, and that's great news. Back in June, that for some time Google did have a ban on cryptocurrency advertising on Google and other sources as well, and I think also YouTube. But now they've become friendly, switched that around, and as of June, that's back in play. Back in play. So we can use Google right now for you can use Google Play to pick up stuff up with cryptocurrency. So hopefully Apple will be announcing these kind of things too. And a lot of people are asking the big billion-dollar question: when is Google, when is Apple, when are other companies going to start to accept Bitcoin and buy Bitcoin and have Bitcoin on their books? Well, you guys, they definitely want to do that, but because of the way the accounting practices work right now, if I buy Bitcoin and it loses value, then on the books I have to take it as a loss. And then if Bitcoin is in profit, due to the new reporting system, if it's in profit, so let's say I bought it for $1 and it's now worth $100, I cannot report that as profit on the books until I sell it. So, the legal framework for accounting when it comes to crypto for large corporations is just cuckoo. So that's why, Michael Saylor of Grayscale Trust, he's saying, guys, we need to adjust the financial reporting system, the legal framework for when it comes to crypto, because if I buy Bitcoin, like I said, and it goes down in value, I have to take a hit on my books. But if the opposite happens where Bitcoin goes up in value, I can't show that as a profit until I sell it. So what's the point of holding Bitcoin for a long period of time on your books as a corporation if you can't show profit? And if you want to show profit, you got to sell it, because then that just defeats the value of this whole common store value over a long time and the appreciation of Bitcoin and other assets going up. So, once that legal framework gets corrected, and if Bitcoin does go down below the strike price, it has a loss, that's fine, I can live with that. But if the opposite happens where it goes up, you can report it as a profit, that's also fine too. So they need to make those adjustments, guys. So here's the big Shiba news. So crypto enthusiasts make a strong case for Shiba Inu's listing on Robinhood, and there was almost about 200,000 people signed a petition and sent it to Robinhood and asking them to allow the Shiba Inu trading on Robinhood. So that's really cool news. So it looks like people are just aping into Shiba Inu, and hopefully we will see that this will happen for the Shiba Inu holders. Full disclosure, the OG, I don't own any Shiba Inu, but a lot of my members, a lot of my subscribers, and a lot of people out there in YouTube land are now aping into Shiba Inu. So I just want to cover the news. I'm covering the news. I'm trying to give you impartial, just telling you what's going on, guys. I'm not for it. I'm not against it. I'm just telling you like I see it, guys. Straight up honesty in your face. How do you like that? I'm not hyping nothing. So also, you can see that there was also a Shibuya by 6.3 trillion tokens over the 2 days. So I really believe, in my opinion, I believe that we got the catalyst of the 200,000 people signing a petition, sending it to Robinhood to allow SHIB trading. And also, if we look at the 6.3 trillion SHIB that was just bought, I believe that is Robinhood definitely buying up the SHIB so they can start doing the Shiba Inu, so they can start trading it on Robinhood platform. And I think they're going to do it because if you look at how much money they made in Dogecoin in terms of the transaction fees, so Robinhood is one of the largest holders in terms of a Doge on their books, in terms of members. One of the biggest sources of Doge being held and bought from retail was on Robinhood. So this just makes sense that they're going to go this way, guys. So this is really good news. If this happens, hopefully, this will see a big, huge pump in price. Now, just be careful that this is not buy the rumor, sell the news, because, we did have this huge run up almost 388%, if I'm not mistaken. And that was fueled by the rumor of the Robinhood stuff. So let's hope that, when it actually happens, that it's not by the rumor, which we saw already. And when it actually happens, we see a little bit of a dump. Well, not a dump, but, a correction. Because right now we can see that the Shiba Inu is down a little bit. We're going to jump into the technicals. And guys, if you're still watching, don't forget to show the love. Show the love for the OG in the house. Don't forget to smash the likes, guys. Subscribe. Become members, guys. And guys, don't forget to check out my merch. We got tons of merch, guys. We got hats, we got hoodies, and also we got the infamous mug to mug. Pick up some merch, guys. Remember, all of the merch, it all goes to charity, guys. You're going to love it. I'm going to love it. And all the Patreons, all the coffees, all goes to charity, guys. So let's take a look at the Fear and Greed Index right now. So the Fear and Greed Index has dropped ever so slightly. It's now at 71. We're at 72 yesterday, and then last week we were at neutral at 49. So, we're seeing that right now. The market's a little bit mixed. We're seeing that, over this weekend, it's down a little bit. It's not down like, down. We're seeing a mixed bag. We're seeing some coins are up, some are down. So the overall effect, we're seeing the total market cap is up about 1% right now. And we're seeing the total market cap is right now at 2.34 trillion. So hopefully we can giddy up because we've got about 20 hours left before this weekly candle closes. So hopefully we can get ourselves up. I mean, I set a target of 2.5. We're getting pretty close. I mean, we did hit on the weekly a high. Let me get that out there. So we did hit 2.42 trillion. So we came pretty close. But we, got rejected. Not got rejected, but we kind of adjusted down a little bit. People have been taking profits as well. You guys have to keep that in mind and understand that. So let's take a look. Let's take a look at the Doge in the house right now. So Doge on the 4-hour is right now it's going, we went up and following the Elliott wave. We're going to have to go to the 1 day to take a look at that because that's where it was formulated on that pattern. So right now Doge is just kind of going sideways. It's at 24.12. And, we did see ourselves go up to the 25 line, got rejected a little bit. So we're down about, right now, we're down about 0.82%. Let's take a look at Doji on the daily chart, and then we can see how, and if we're following this Elliott wave pattern. Let me just fix that chart for you. Let me zoom it in, zoomy. So you guys know we had this whole descending triangle action that happened all the way from the SNL and came all the way down here. So let's just zoom in and see how our Elliott wave patterns are performing here. Let me just fix the charts. Sometimes these charts are so finicky. Here we go. So you can see that right now, we have our Elliott wave pattern 1. We went up there, hit that right on target, came back down to 2, hit that on target. And right now we're kind of deviating from that pattern right now. We're going sideways, which is to be expected. But I think that, we still have time to go up to 30 cents. And then after we hit 30 cents, we should retrace a little bit. And I'm still hoping that we can hit 40 cents. Now remember, TA only works until it doesn't. And remember, I'm only saying that there's a 60% chance of us going up to 35 cents by the end of the month. 40% chance that we will basically stay where we are right now and close around 30 cents. So that's what I'm saying. So don't beat me up if we don't get there, because remember, if I got it right every single time, boys and girls, guys and gals, I would be a billion trillionaire. I'd own the planet. Okay, so remember, crypto has crypto is very volatile, and it's also very fickle as well, meaning that any single negative piece of news can dump the markets just like that, guys. So remember, we have a lot more people in terms of retail aping in this year. So we have if we look at the number of new investors into crypto this year, it's actually the highest it's ever been. So we have a lot of crypto traders and newbie traders, the noobs out there who ape into stuff, and they really panic a lot. I mean, the level of panic is less than it was in previous cycles, but we still have a lot of users that still tend to panic, and if they see a 2 or 3% drop, they start going and then so guys, the only thing you can do when things are going down, you can only do a couple of things. Dollar cost average, if you have money on the sidelines. This is not financial advice. Hodl and wait. You just got to be patient. In this game, you got to be patient. If you want to make money, you got to be patient. So let's take a look at the SHIB in the house, guys. So right now, this is a SHIB on the 4-hour time frame, and we can see that we've formed this huge descending triangle that goes back from the beginning of October. Let me see if I can just make that a little bit bigger for you guys. There we go. It makes a little bit more sense. Whoa. Chart come back. So we have this triangle that goes back all the way to the 7th of October. This is when we saw the huge rise, right, guys? Let me just get that out of there. It doesn't need to be there. So right now we have this huge descending triangle, and we need the SHIB to break out of this descending triangle. If we cannot break out of this descending triangle, then we will see ourselves going down, probably all the way down to probably 19 cents. And I have, not 19 cents, but a bunch of zeros and 19. So I'm not going to say the zeros, so you guys know what I'm talking about, okay? So the last 4 numbers, all right? So right now the SHIB is trading at 26.50, and it's trying to break out of this descending triangle. And right now the SHIB is down around about 6 to 7%, depending on what exchange you're using, guys. So let's hopefully that this whole 6.3 trillion is a Robinhood thing, and then we get a pumpity pump. But buckle up, guys. Buckle up, because it could be buy the rumors and sell the news, and that's generally what does happen in crypto, guys. So when we get that confirmation, we could be getting like a dead cat bounce where it kind of goes woo to the up to here, because we got some resistance here at around 33. So it could be going up here and then settling 8 back down, guys. So just watch out if you're Shiba Inu holders. And once again, the Shiba Inu holders, the strategy is the same. If you bought at the top, right, and you bought at the top and you're out of money now, not financial advice, the only thing you can do is you need to reduce your strike price, and the only way you can do that is dollar cost average on the way down. So guys, it's a great time to be alive. So let's jump into the Bitcoin price right now. So my Bitcoin, my child's a Bitcoin in the house is trading at 54,877. So we're not doing too bad, guys. For the whole week, we're seeing the Bitcoin hit a high of 56,168. And then we hit a low of 46,900. So right now, as I said, we're trading at 54,850. Where do I see Bitcoin going next week? Well, I'm going to tell you. So I really see that Bitcoin next week, we formed this beautiful bull flag, and we've just started to break out of the top side of this bull flag. And I believe that our short-term target in the next couple of days is going to be about 56,000. But I think that our ultimate target is 61,000. I'm hoping we can get into break past 56,000, by Wednesday and start to test 61,000 by the end of the week. And if that happens, it's going to be fantastic. Fantastico, because remember, we have a plan B target. The stock to flow model is calling for 63,000 by the end of the month. So we've still got 20 days to do it. So I'm pretty bullish that we're going to get there. What do you guys think? Smash the likes, guys. Make a comment. Remember, get this video to 1,000 likes. I need you to help me. Help me. I'm begging you. Smash the likes right now. Come on. What are you waiting for? You're driving me crazy. You're watching, but you're not smashing the likes. Do it. You know you want to do it. I know I need you to do it. So smash out the likes, guys. I love it. So Ethereum in the house is, we have this purple channel line. We kind of broken down from it a little bit. And right now, Ethereum is coming down a little bit. And it's at 3,527. It's a weekend. We're seeing a little bit less volatility, a little bit less volume over the weekend, but nothing to panic about, nothing to go crying about. And right now we're looking at ADA. ADA is kind of just going blah, and that's what ADA does. It just goes blah. So we're waiting for some real big catalyst. We have this bull flag, and we're breaking down, guys. That's all there is to it. ADA doesn't know if it's going up or it's going down. ADA does that. It just kind of goes meander sideways, and then suddenly have a big breakout. So you just kind of keep an eye on that. Do not give up on the ADA. Once we get some we got smart contracts turned on. Once we got more DEXs and more this and NFTs and all this stuff start to fly out. And, there hasn't been a lot of news out there as well. So that's another thing. I mean, a lot of retail investors are not really aping into Cardano because there's not been a lot of news. So we need some news, some positive news to create some spin. And once that spin happens, then things are going to start mooning. So right now we can see that Solana has broken down, broke out of the descending triangle. It broke to the upside, and now it's being rejected, and it's going back all the way down to 154. So my line in the sand is 151,000. So we need to take a look at that and just keep an eye on that. I think we should be able to stay above the $151 line. That's some really major support. So keep an eye on that. Worst case scenario, then we could be breaking down, going back into this channel, and then we could see ourselves going down $141. I don't want to see that. So right now we can see that Avalanche in the house is also doing pretty much the same. It's kind of going sideways. Luckily we managed to stay out of this descending triangle or this descending channel, and we're just kind of going sideways. So I think everything's kind of like wait and see. So let's jump into the market marks right now. The market marks. So you can see the volume is much lower than it has been. And the market cap just ticked up a little bit, and we're now at 2.35 trillion in the house. And right now the Bitcoin dominance is still too high, and that's why you're seeing that overall the altcoins are not doing so well. We're seeing Bitcoin is up. It's still up for 30 days, still up for 7 days. It's up today, just slight. It's almost in neutral territory, and that's $54,847 in the house. And we're seeing that Ethereum is at 3,526. That's also down. That's the dominance. ADA is basically neutral. It's $2.26. BNB is down 2%. Once again, Bitcoin dominance. Also, BNB's had some bad news about this getting kicked out of South Africa, so that's not good. And that's at $415.72 in the house. Solana in the house. Now, I don't talk about XRP. I do not like the project. Never liked the project. I never talk about it. Don't beat me up. And don't forget to smash the likes, guys, if you're still watching. And Solana is at 154.98. That's down at 3%. But DOT's doing pretty good, guys. DOT is like the comeback king today. And it's at $37 and it's at $10.72. And my Doji Woji, it's down 0.5%. It's at 24.4253. And Doge is kind of like a stable coin. It's just kind of stable, which is good, but it'll do that and then suddenly it just pop. So keep an eye on that. At least it's not going down too much. Luna is down over 4% at 42.26. The SHIB is down 7%. It's at 26. And things are kind of mixed today, but overall, the altcoins are down. Bitcoin's trying to make a comeback. We got to wait till Monday to see how things are going. Let's take a look at the OG portfolio in the house. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is just for education, entertainment purposes. So you have been warned. So right now our total portfolio is up 65%, and this portfolio we started July 2nd on a live stream on YouTube, and we started with 5K, and you know, we've taken an 11.49% loss today, but overall we're still doing pretty good. We're performing okay, guys. So you know, that's what you want to see. You want to see continued gradual performance over time, and that's where you make the real money, guys. You don't want to see this big these parabolic elevator rides, because what goes up fast can come down fast. So you can see we're just slowly moving up, and that's what you want, slow and steady, slow and steady. So guys and gals, thank you for watching, and don't forget to follow me on Twitter. We got 2,565. Get on Twitter, guys, because we got news, tips, tricks, and all sorts of fun stuff, guys. And you can always send me a message on Twitter as well, and I'll try to get out to you. Remember, I got almost 54,000 subscribers, so I can't get to everybody all the time. So be patient. And guys, just want to say God bless each and everyone. I love you guys out there in YouTube land. Without you, my Doge army, my community, this would not be possible. And I just want to say I love you guys. God bless you. Be well. Don't forget to go down there, smash the likes, smash the like it, subscribe BYB, and don't forget to check out my links. And remember, none of this is financial advice. Become a Patreon member. This all goes to charity. Buy the channel coffee, goes to charity. And check out the merch. Go check out the merch, guys. You want the merch, I want the merch. The link is right there in the description. And with that being said, guys, don't forget to go to the wife's channel. Go to Zen Music and Chili Willy, and go over there and subscribe BYB. And guys and gals, don't forget to check out the Mug the Mug. Everybody wants the infamous Mug the Mug. So guys, get the merch. Gear up with OG gear. OG Go gear. Let's get it, guys. I just want to say God bless each and every one of you in the house. I love you guys. Go with God. Be with God. Live your life like every second is your last, and make every moment count, guys. You know, make it count. Spread a good vibe. Spread a little bit of love. And I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Woo!